Hi, my name is Tyler Cox, and I'm the Marketing Communications Specialist over here at Yamaha Unified Communications. And welcome to USDLA Member Give Back Week. Yamaha UC is a proud silver sponsor of the USDLA Member Give Back Week. And over the next couple of days, there are going to be some incredible speakers, fantastic breakout rooms, and exciting forums. Now, if you join those breakout room speakers and forums, you will automatically be placed into the Yamaha UC raffle, where we will be raffling off to one lucky winner a full audio solution, which includes the ESP1090 and the HD Education Kit. We are excited to be here and cannot wait to gain some feedback and more knowledge within the education sector. Now, moving forward, education has changed over the past 18 months dramatically. Whether you are teaching hybrid, you are teaching fully virtual or fully in person, there are many issues that are at hand that are solved through audio and video. But king might be video. Audio is the driving force behind a collaborative, engaging classroom environment. No matter where you are teaching, you need good audio. So Yamaha UC has an incredible portfolio, from our YVC200 Bluetooth speakerphone all the way up to our no fixed lobes, no dead zones, automatic beam track array forms, a Decia solution, ceiling microphone, or tabletop solution. We have something from small to large to in between. So make sure you check out the YVC series, our soundbar, our wireless clip-on mics, and our Decia solution. To sign up for a demo, reach out our way, and we will point you in the right direction. Enjoy the week. Enjoy the knowledge we are about to gain, and we are extremely excited to see what the future holds for our members of the USDLA and the education community. Take care, make it a great day, and good luck. You might be winning a soundbar and HD Education Kit soon. Have a good one.